Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I will just show you some really nice things. So let's first see this guy drawing my name and other people's names, and yeah, it's very interesting, like the way he's drawing it. So now he's writing my name, like drawing, if I can say like that. Okay, you have seen those monks. So after I finish, I receive my my name, or I don't know how to call it, but yeah, after the guy finished to draw it, the monk asked me to take picture with me. So we are on a hill of I think it's about 60 meters or something like that. So there is a lake down to a hill, so I will go there and then see what is there. So stay with me until we end.
Wait 1,000 days. You never wait for me. You never wait for me. Even when I ran away, you're all that I could see. You're all that I could see. When I could hardly walk on my own, I had to lift myself out of the trench below. Haven't I suffered enough to let you go?
Okay, you can see those little girls here. Their clothes are very nice. I like it too much. So guys, that is all for today's video. Please, if you can subscribe and like my video, it will help me to continue recording good videos for you. And yeah, see you in the next video. Bye bye. Ciao.